This is Dania here, and now seeing you in the CMEF exhibition, annual CMEF exhibition again. And our company name is Shanghai Iven Pharmatech Engineering Company. And as I have shared with you many times, our company is the pioneer professional supplier of pharmaceutical and medical turnkey projects and equipment. Yeah. Every year we attend a lot of exhibitions in China and over the world. And this time, this CMEF exhibition is mainly for the medical product, medical device, medical equipment, a lot of things. So speaking of the medical part, so in this exhibition, we mainly show our equipment of medical product. For example, the production line for the vacuum blood collection tube production line, yes. And for the production line of vacuum blood collection tube, well, our company has a very, very big market share. For example, in China, we have the market share of more than 95. And in the world, we also have a lot of customers. In Russia, we have sold more than 20 lines. In India, we have sold more than 19 lines. We have customers in Japan. We have sold 6 lines in Turkey. We have a turnkey project in Saudi Arabia, and so on. So for the vacuum blood collection tube production line, let me give you a short description. Let's go to the, yeah. Yeah, let's get close to the production line. Normally, our production line depends on the standard line and customized line. Standard line it's a standard with the station like labeling station, loading station, dosing station. After dosing, it is drying station. After drying station, capping station, and then go to put the tubes, finish the tubes to the foam tray. Yes, this is a standard line, but for the standard line, we also have different options. For example, if you want to produce all the tube for clot activator, then you may only choose one station for dosing. But if you want to produce e-clot activator, e-anticoagulant, then you need 2 blocks of dosing station. And if you want to produce all the tubes, then you need the 3 dosing stations. One is for the clot activator, another is for the coagulant, and the last one is for the liquid. For example, sodium citrate. It is with the filling volume is a little more than the first 2 ones. Yes, so for the standard line, you can choose different, depends on your requirements, you can choose different options. Yeah. And if go to the topic of customized lines, we have so many options. For example, for the customer, a very high requirement customer like Chinese GD, like China Improve, normally they would like to add the robot, they want to add the CCD camera to check the quality. They want to give a high they want to give a more strict control of the quality, so they will check the tube, empty tube itself, and they want to check the quality of cap themselves. And for this function, they will need a lot of CCD cameras. Yeah, this is only 1 or 2 examples. And another example, for example, customer will not choose CCD camera, will not choose the robot, but for the dosing control, they want to have a high, different requirements. So everyone, all the requirements are available from us, and we have rich experience. We have provided this kind of solutions to our customers. You know, we have sold more than 320 production lines. That's a very big figure with a lot of experience. Yes. And you know, uh, every year we are trying. The world is advancing, and we are also trying to invent some new product. But it is also depends on the customer requirement. For example, some customer in Africa, they have lower capacity. They say, I just want, I'm just a starter. I don't want to produce so many tubes in 1 hour. Do you have a small machine with a small occupied area with a small capacity? Yes. So last year we invented this machine of compacted machine for the vacuum tube line. The occupied area is really small. It's like 2 meter multiplied 3 meter like that. So yes, and this year, we have a very unique neck technique in the whole China. It's first and unique again, first and unique in China. This is the powder filling machine. So yeah, we have taken a sample block here. Let's get close to the block, okay? Yes, this is a sample block of the powder filling machine. This machine is especially used for the glucose tube. And there's a hopper inside. We will put the bulk into the hopper, and there with the faction with the this is secret information, so I will not share. So with the one mechanism, we will dosing the powder to the tube. Let me show you. Yeah, and the dosing volume is very small. It is at the level of a microgram, and this precision rate of our machine is plus minus 1.5 micrograms. You know, a lot of customers from Russia, from India, they have required us for this machine. So, and we have took a lot of energy and time to invent this technology. So yes, we are happy and proud to share this with you. And I would like to say before, this tube is produced with only filling the liquid. First filling the liquid and take out the tube, then dry and take back. So yeah, this is a block, but it can also be integrated into the fully automatic production line. The capacity of this block is 3,000 pieces per hour. And if you have higher requirement, we can make it higher. When it will be integrated with the fully automatic production line, then the process will be like, firstly, labeling. After labeling, dosing. After dosing, adding the EDTA. After adding EDTA, it will go next step of drying. After drying, it will go to this step of filling powder. And after filling powder, it will go to the capping. We will put cap on the top side. After capping, we will go to next station of vacuum. After vacuum, the cap will be tightly covered with a tube, and the tube is finished. Then we will go to the station of put the tubes to the foam tray. And then next step is packing. We use a machine to pack the tubes in 100 pieces in a tray, and then put a big label, then put to the big case. Then it can go for sale. Of course, you need to get a license. Yeah. So I think for this medical machine today we are showing. That's all. Now could you please follow me to go to the corner of our samples? Yeah, here in the samples, in the sample corner, we are showing all the products which can be produced with our machine, with our turnkey project. They are the medical products like vacuum tubes. They are the needles, syringes, IV set, and also yes, needles, but the butterfly type. Yeah. And for the pharmaceutical, we have the big IV solution in PP bottle. We have the non-PVC soft bag IV solution. And also for the big volume and small volume vial and ampule, cartridge and prefilled syringe, like this kind of products. Yes, as I have shared with you, our company is mainly for the turnkey project for these products. And I'm proud to share with you we have more than 50 turnkey projects in the world. Among them, we have customer in America for the non-PVC soft bag project. This project is finished last year, and we have a vacuum blood collection tube turnkey project in Saudi Arabia. This turnkey project is also finished now soon in the stage of validation. Yeah, and also Laos non-PVC soft bag project, Iraq, and also Saudi Arabia, Uzbekistan, a lot of countries with different products. And we have noticed within the during the time flies, our requirements from our customers also changes now. Before the requirement is for the big volume, for the basic pharmacy medicine, for the IV solution. But now the customers they are requiring the vial, they are requiring the ampule for the vaccine, for the anti-cancer product. And now also the vaccine, a lot of full high value, high technology products will be produced, will be required from us. And yes, last year we have exported, we have provided our customers systems of fermentation with a big platform with automatic control system and a lot of reactors. So yes, yeah, you can see here all these photos are from our live project. They are real from our projects, from the projects we finished. This is a preparation system. This is the overview. Yes, and this is the overview. I would like to say if you want a turnkey project, normally we mean inside the clean room and everything inside. So you need to give us at least a civil construction like this. It can be steel construction. It can be brick construction. It depends on you. But also, we can, if you want us to do the civil construction for you, we can do it as well. Yeah. Yeah, this is the blowing machine for the IV solution, PP bottle. This is a packing system. After sterilization, fully automatic packing system from labeling, from cartoning, and putting the product into pallets. Yeah, this is another project I see in Armenia. Yeah, and this is a clean room inside. And what everything we can see here is from us, like the floor, like the lights, like the panels and windows, doors, everything is from us. Yeah. So, our requirements, they are, how to say, upgrading their requirements from basic medicine equipment, protection equipment to the high level. And our company is also upgrading. So we are always here with you. If you have any requirement for the medical and pharmaceutical equipment or turnkey project, you can come to us. We will always give you a very good solution with a high quality and very good service. Thank you so much. Okay, we still have time. Okay, I will, yeah. Let's go close to the television. Yeah, in this television, it shows the process of our vacuum blood collection tube production line. You may have a look. Yeah, this is after finishing the tube is finished and loaded. This is what I mentioned, the compacted production machine. This is a labeling machine. Yeah, firstly we will put our tubes here, then I'll go to different steps, and step by step the production of the tubes will be finished. This is the video of our workshop. So you know our workshop is very clean and with a high control. Everything is under management. We have ISO managed system. Yeah. And in this exhibition, I noticed not so many foreign customers, but you can see we may have a look around. Our team, they are full of energy and they are trying to have more talks, conversations with our customers. They are trying to. Okay, hi, welcome to us. Yeah, and they are trying to give more support to our customers. Yeah, no matter what they need. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's go to this thread blood collection tube. I didn't share this information. This is you know the vacuum tubes divides into different types. The typical is like BD type. Another one is like greener type. And for the greener type, in China, most popular one is BD type. And this type is very, very few, very, very little. But we have a customer in Russia, they are requiring from us this thread blood collection tube assembly line. Before, they are requiring, they bought one line from other country, Europe country, and then they come to us and we try to give them a solution, and now they are taking from us several lines of this thread blood collection tube assembly line. So the construction of the tube is a little different. Normally tube is like you can clap it just like this. But for the thread type, you need to tighten, and it is very difficult to control the vacuum and tighten it well. So this is also a good invention from our company. Yeah, and this customer is top one in their country. So yeah, every time we are also sharing this information. Yeah, and you can see this slide, the labeling machine is not at the beginning because they are adding the CCD camera detection. So normally, if a customer chooses this function of CCD detection, then the labeling machine will be put at the end of the machine. Yeah. So the process will go first the tube loading, then dosing, then drying, then capping, and then it will go from the conveyor to the labeling machine. And in the labeling machine, there are different stations to check, different cameras to check the quality. For example, if there is a liquid, if there is a reagent inside, if the label is pasted well, and if the content information or the label is correct. So yeah, there will different. It also depends on customer which point they want to check with this machine, and then after checking, if the tube or the label is not qualified, it will be rejected. Yeah, and then after checking, it will go to next station of collecting all the tubes to a foam train. For the collecting, normally we use we use this machine, but for high requirement customer, we use a robot like this. Yeah, so I think that's all for today. Welcome to us. You can give us a call or write to us. Bye bye. Thank you so much.
Create value for customers.